Today we are going to understand about the applications of concave mirrors and convex mirror. In convex mirror we already know it is used as a reflecting rear view mirror in our vehicles. Same like in shopping malls also we are using convex mirrors as a shopping mall security purpose. Next, concave mirrors are used in our torchlights and headlights of vehicles. In another way, we can use our curved concave mirror for our cooking purpose. Today I am going to explain about the solar cooker. Its definition or its principle is nothing but concave mirror has a principle. What is that? All the light rays which are parallel to the principal axis will be converged to its focus. So heat will be produced. It may be a sunlight. So we are using that principle to construct a solar cooker. For that solar cooker we need some materials. One is iron or wooden frame in the form of a dish, a TV dish type. Next one is 20 or 30 acrylic mirror sheets. In the mirror sheets they should reflect. It should be a shapes of isosceles triangle. Next, angular vessel holder. It should be need for fixing that vessel which one kept on that TV dish reflector. So how to assemble that solar cooker? First we should take the dish. It should be like a TV dish. It should be in the concave mirror shape. Upon that we should paste many isosceles triangle. They are the reflecting surfaces. It should be made up of acrylic sheets. So we are fixing that one above another from that center to the edges, that is circumference, as shown in the slide one after one. Next we are fixing that angle, that vessel holder on the center of the concave mirror surface. Next we are keeping that vessel on that stand. On the next, this entire setup should be fixed on a stand to hold on the ground, and next this whole setup is kept on the broad sunlight to get that heat. Now what's happened? The whole sunlight is reflected by the concave mirror and it is focused on the center point, and there we are keeping that vessel. So we are getting high heat on that vessel. Now our vegetables or rice can be cooked out by that heat. So what is the use of that solar cooker? It can be used in any environment. It is a eco-friendly one and no need for any fuel or electricity. It is working on the principle of the parallel light rays can be converged to focus by a concave mirror.